How to set up Okada mobile voice changer. Open Google Colab link on this video description. Scroll to cell 2 to create Ngrok account. Click this to create Ngrok account. Click this link. Sign up your Ngrok account. After creating your Ngrok account, click this 3 bars on top left corner. Go to your auth token. Copy your auth token. Go back to Google Colab again and paste your auth token here. You can change the region based on your area. After that, go to voicemodels.com. Find the model you want to use. For example, I want to use the Kobo Kaniru voice model. Click this. Download your model here. After downloading, go to the file you downloaded. Extract zip model. After extracting, go back to Google Colab again. And then press this button. And this button too. And wait until voice changer link started. After the link starts, click this to enter the Okada voice changer. Click Visit Site. Don't forget to allow microphone access. Zoom out and press Start. In this version, you don't need to change the chunks and extras anymore because it's already good like this. Just change the GPU settings to Tesla T4. After that, upload your voice models. Press Edit. Select an empty slot. Then press Upload. Select File here. Go to the model that you extracted and find the PTH file. After that, press Upload here and wait until finish uploading. After finish uploading, close the model uploader, and then change input to the mic you are using. Change output to default. After that, click the model and wait. After progress completed, change the pitch. If you're male and using a female model, you need to set the pitch to 12, and if vice versa, set to -12. If the same, just leave it at 0. After all completed, you can start the voice changer and start yapping.
Hi, besties. Oh my besties. Oh my besties.
And that's how to use Okada mobile voice changer. Unfortunately, it's still not possible to do that on mobile, but it's possible on desktop or laptop. For that problem, I still don't know how to fix it, because I also have the same problem, and if you know how to fix that, you can go to my Discord link in this video description. Maybe your Google Colab was disconnected. Try running again from cell 1. Try using another Google account or wait 24 hours since this notification appears. First, start your voice changer. Go to Record part. Then start recording and say anything.
Check, hi, test, hello. Welcome.
After that, stop the voice changer. And then go to record part again. Press stop and it will automatically download the audio file.
Check, hi, test, hello. Welcome.
First, press this button 2 times. Until it says the server has stopped. And then press this 3 bars on top left corner. Click Runtime. Scroll down. Find Disconnect and Delete Runtime option. Click Yes. And if you need further question, you can join to my Discord channel in this video description.